the bird and the bell. Even if I spread my arms wide, I cannot fly in the sky at all. But a bird that flies cannot run as fast as I do on the ground. Even if I shake my body, I cannot make a beautiful sound. But the ringing bell does not know as many songs as I do. The bell, the bird, and then me. Everyone is different and everyone is wonderful. Ul.
A message to the world from a Japanese poet. Everyone is different. Everyone is wonderful. This is a masterpiece by Misuzu Kaneko, one of Japan's most beloved poets from the early 20th century. In a world where we often compare ourselves to others, her words remind us of a simple yet profound truth. We don't have to be like anyone else. Whether you are a bird that flies, a bell that rings, or just yourself, everyone has a unique purpose and a unique beauty. Everyone is different, and everyone is wonderful. I hope this poem brings a moment of peace and self-love to your heart today. Ode